Hello everyone, welcome to CADNest. This is Samsa. Today I am going to explain about analysis of slab. See, here we have two methods of slab. One is one-way slab and another one is two-way slab. One-way slab, it means which is supported by beams on the two opposite sides to carry the loads along one directions. Okay. The ratio longer span between shorter span equal to or greater than 2. It's called as one-way slab. Okay. The two-way slab, it supported the four sides. The loads will be transferred into the both directions. This is called as two-way slab. Okay, let's start our project. I'm going to open the Start Pro. Select new project option. Then space. Here rename as slab. Here meter and kilonewton. Next add beam, then finish. Just I click the base point, then close this grids and then select the node cursor. Select this nodal point, go to translation repeat. In that, due to y direction, one number of step, that is 3 meter height. Then link step on OK. Then select this both nodes and again translation repeat. X direction 1, that is 4 meter. 4 link steps on, then OK. Then again select this 2 points, translation repeat, Z direction 1 and that spacing is 4 meter, link steps on OK. Then select this node cursor, select this node and this node, translation repeat, y direction, one number of step due to downward, so that's what, -3, link steps on, then OK. Okay, just delete this beam. Okay, yes. Then select this node cursor to translation repeat, y direction towards down, so -3, link step on OK. And then go to add beam cursor. This is node 2 and this node. Our frame is ready. Okay. Then go to make the slab. For that, go here, generate surface meshing. Select this option. This is our first node and second node and third node, fourth and finally starting point. Here I am going to select the quadrilateral meshing, then OK. In that, each number of length AB and BC, CD and DA, that is each 4 meter. I divided, it's my assumption, I divided 2. Each numbers will be 2. Apply. See, it's divided 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then geometry is ready. Then go to general. In general, under first one is property. Go to define. In that rectangular section, here I adopted 0.4 cross 0.4 and then material is concrete, add, and then beam size is ready. The column will be 0.5 cross 0.5, add, close, and then thickness, slab thickness using 120 mm, so 0.12 meter and material is concrete, add, close. select first one, it means beam size, go to parallel to X and select parallel to Z. Assign to selected beams, assign yes. Column, then go to beams parallel to Y, assign to selected beams, assign yes. Then plate thickness, select the plate cursor, select all the plates, assign to selected plates, assign yes. And then go to the supports. In that supports, we make only fixed support. For that, go to create, select the fixed support, add and select the supports, go to front view, bottom nodes and assign to selected nodes, assign yes, and then go to 3D view. After that, loads and definition, select the load case details, add. First condition is dead load, it means self weight of the member, I renamed as dead load, add. And second one is live load, I renamed as live load, add, close. Select the first load condition, add. In dead load means self weight of the member, so that's what I select here for the dead load, self weight in Y direction towards down, that's what -1, add, close. Then select the live load, add. Here I am going to floor load. In that floor load, I assumed -3 kilonewton. Then minimum will be 0, maximum will be 3. Add, close. Self weight, assign to view, assign yes. See, floor load will be no need to assign, so it is automatically assigned. Two-way will be activated. Then go to material. Material is already assigned, so no need to assign again. Finally, go to the analysis and print option. Perform analysis, add, close. And then go to analysis, run analysis, save. See, our member is 0 error and 0 warning. Then go to post processing mode, done. Select the both load conditions, apply, OK. Then just we check the deflections of plate. See, this is our deflection. Wait, I'll show you the animations. For that, go here, select the animations, and then here you select the deflection, apply, OK. See, this is the animations. Okay. Now you can go for the plate. Here I selected the live load. In that, stress type is maximum absolute pressure. Select, apply, OK. See, this is the maximum absolute pressure. And then go to again, modeling. Finally, we have one step, that is design. Here is a concrete structure, so select the concrete and then go here, select the Indian Standard 456 code and select parameters, drag everything this side, and here just select the compressive strength and main reinforcement, and then OK. Go to define parameters. In that I am selecting the M30 grades of concretes, that's what 30,000, add, and then FY I would like to select FE 250, so that's what 250,000, then add, close, and then go to command, and then finally design slab element, add, close. Select FC, assign to view, assign yes, and we select FY, assign to view, assign yes. Select the design elements. For the go to select the plate cursor, select all the plates, assign to selected plates, assign yes. Then finally go to analysis and run analysis. Save. It is also 0 error and 0 warning. So you can go for the post processing mode. Done. I just select this any one plate. See, I just go to select the plate cursor. Select the plate cursor, select here live load and go to select here for the maximum absolute pressure and then apply. Okay. So this is my result. Okay. And then select any number of beam. Just click here. Just deactivate. This is our bending. I'll show the value. Further go to result, view value, bending result, and maximum mid, and the shear and maximum mid. Annotate. Okay. Close. I just deactivate this. See, this is the bending of numbers. Then close this. Shear. This is the shear value of the number. Okay. And then I'm going to deactivate this. Again go to modeling, analysis, run analysis, design. It's over. Here we are using M30 grade subconcrete and FE 250 main reinforcement, FE 415 secondary reinforcement. That's it. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.